live special sound of Navy class merchant class 35005 arrival into Minton and Fort March train station. Weather, Kate, Hawaiian and 5. Like to hear, this one's out the right side of the screen right this minute. Time to mate, digits of the mates, 13:25 PM in the afternoon, hour, that's 1:25 PM in the afternoon, and it is September the 20th. Saturday afternoon, guys, 2025. Subscribe to my channel on Stone Age Evans on YouTube. Rock and load, rock and road. Here we go, guys. Rock and load, rock and roll. Here we go. It's at Minton Fort March train station. This is freight on the right. This is freight train. This is freight stuff. Freight. This is what freight used to be like for the old days. Now it's bigger and bulkier. See the freight on the trains in America. They're mental, guys. We have a lovely engine to a lovely steam locomotive, class 35005 Navy class, mentioned as we arrive into the Fort March train station. A beautiful autumn, sunny and cloudy afternoon. The rain showers are cleared for now. They take four coaches in here, or not even four, actually two coaches actually. Maybe three at max. We're arriving into the Fort March train station on the Walker's line right now. Subscribe to my channel on Stone Age Evans on YouTube. Yeah.